And there's the poignancy of this tournament, etched in the face of Ledet. That is a long walk.
It sure is. A disheartening walk for sure.
You need to get your notebook or your diary, and you need to write down everything that you've learned from this. You need to write down what you did good. You need to write down what you did bad. You need to write down what you learned for us. I'm not talking exclusively, guys, about basketball. I'm talking about all of it, because this is a lifetime memory. And if you let it go by and go, man, that was cool, and I got a pen, and we got some new shoes, and that's all you think of it, that's what kids do. This is an opportunity for growth, and you have to use it as such. And as emotional as you are, and I'm talking to you seniors, as emotional as you are too, this is an opportunity for us to learn. Family on three. 1, 2, 3. Family.